We are 4 days, 19 hours, 31 minutes mission elapsed time of the flight of Artemis II, our 4 astronauts aboard Orion. Today is our Lunar Flyby day.
Go ahead.
Hey, Jenny. Understanding we are in final attitude now for the Lunar Flyby, would it be possible to pitch the vehicle down 5 degrees? That would allow us to get the D5 long lens flush and have the least amount of window distortion.
Dark albedo. And then around them there are some very high albedo spots just to the north of the southern one, and just to the west of the smaller one to the north. Very high albedo, almost approaching the 10, a 9 or a 10, like Aristarchus.
The view on your screen coming from Orion, a camera mounted on the spacecraft's solar array wing. Eclipse, so that's before and after totality, and during that time frame they will have to wear Eclipse glasses so they can safely view this phase. They also intend to capture images of the sun's corona during the eclipse. This is a rare glimpse at the innermost corona that will only be captured by the astronauts' cameras.
In window 1, but that terminator has moved. I guess I've been using Vavilov the whole time, so it's gone 2 more Vavilov craters to the west, and so a few more features are starting to peek out into the sunlight there with that low sun angle, and so you still have ridges and valleys showing up very clearly, a very jagged terminator.
You're getting your first live look at Orion, the Moon, and the Earth. Everyone in this picture. "30 seconds now until we expect loss of signal. We are getting our first views from Orion after the loss of signal. Orion has come back around the other side of the Moon, and that little crescent that you see is Earth, over 252,000 miles away. This is Artemis Mission Control.
And I think we're seeing some directionality. Some of it is going in different directions because it appears to be moving and combining and recombining as it moves. It's pointing in different directions, and some of it appears to be going like down toward the south pole of the Moon, but it's and then coming back together and going out towards Venus and the Earth. And depending on how I stare at it, it looks like one large structure, but then it definitely has wisps, and you can see 3 or 4 structures inside of it. It's like watching a flame. It's like looking at a flame, and stand by. And so it has some inherent movement. Now there's a very bright spot. There's a very bright spot in the center of it. There's a towering light of. There's a towering light, and then there were like 2 streamers that were going 30